Hi guys, it's Christina. Hope you had an amazing week. Today we have a different video. So I decided to do a small room makeover to one of my rooms to fit like my live streaming setup. Basically what we are going to do and see on this video, it's me redecorating and organizing this room. So let's jump to the time lapse because I want to show you guys the more in the less time possible, because this way you can see what happens and how the room is going modifying over the time. Basically what I wanted to do in this room is prepare like the background for the live streaming sessions. Obviously I can change the furniture because it is attached to the wall and also it's made, you know, it's tailored fit to the space. Basically this is the furniture and cabinets that they come with the house. Basically I can just get rid of it, but I wanted to do something different and I decided that it was also a good time to do some decluttering and, you know, throw away things that I'm not using. I think this is the basics of the decluttering thing. Like if you are not using this stuff for a long time, maybe 1 year, 2 years or 3 years, just get rid of it. And yeah, I just found, guys, that I have a lot of things. I still have things from the high school. It's like a miracle because you know, I have moved different houses from then. If I even changed cities, and these things are still, you know, in here with me.
Too cool to be bad, too awesome to be cruel. Fast cars don't appeal to us. We run things, don't talk it through. And every day is a victory when we don't have to wait. And no patience, it's a death dance.
One of the parts that took me more time, it was organizing this wardrobe. It was full of different random stuff. It's like my saver because when I don't know how to place things, I just open these doors and I just threw it up there. And I was a lot of missing space, and I realized that I needed more space to keep like boxes of different tablets that I already have, or, you know, the Christmas tree and these things. So I was thinking to put a drawer inside. So I was measuring some things, but then I realized that it has some kind of a stand in the bottom. So imagine I have been here 10 years and I didn't knew that. So I just put the stand on place, and then I could put everything like well placed. So I just gained a lot of space doing that. You can see that the mess that I already had is already gone, and also I placed some more stuff in the upper cabinet. So yeah, everything was on place now.
Me and mom, we take what we want. We are the colors, and the middle way's no way. We are the highway. We are the highway.
After lunch, it was time to arrange like the background area for the live stream. You saw that I had there some very horrifying posters, so I decided to change that for something more, you know, mystical, you know, some kind of tapestry to put it on the wall. Also, I'm going to keep this furniture because this one is one from mine, and I don't know where to place it, so it's going to stay here. Also, I bought on AliExpress this kind of vines with LED lights. Also, the tapestries are from AliExpress. And the LED light that you see there with the moon, it's from Amazon. So if you want, I can share the links below. And the style I wanted for this background was more like a magical, witchy, cottagecore, dark academia. I don't know, guys. I just found a lot of references for that. And I just put my own style. You see here, I'm just changing or trying to choose which one of the tapestries I'm going to put. I have to say that the cats ones, it was one of my favorite. So probably I will find another place to put them. But I ended up having this one with, you know, more mystical, with these dark academia, cottagecore things. I wanted to place more plants. Probably I will do that in the future because I want it to be more cottagecore than dark academia, but I think that I'm very happy with how it is looking right now. You will see later that I just made more purchases, so you are going to see it right away. Hi guys, it's the next day. I had just put here the last things I bought. The set of 3 candles, also these two plants, fake plants. I think they look kind of realistic, so I'm very happy with them. Also the candles, they look amazing, also matching with the tapestry. So yeah, I'm very happy guys how it's looking. The last thing I have to do is put the LED lights there and make some ambience. So the streaming setup, guys, it's ready. Just a little few things. I just put here these lamps I bought, I guess, last year. I'm going to put it here so they're going to create some ambience in the walls. Also, I have here this pen pal, pixel pen pal from Mario. I want to check up if there's another ones. Probably it will be cool to add some of them like mushrooms or something, you know, something more related to what I have here. But now Mario is going to stay here. This is the small geek thing or freak thing of this, you know, setup. The candles, they are amazing. They are super cute. Also, I think the color works so well with, you know, the green here and also the orange here. They are so nice. This lamp, I already showed it to you, but I think it's super cute. You can check it out on Amazon. They have clouds, lightning, stars. They have a lot. But I wanted to create like this mystical theme, so that's why I went for the moon. And then the tapestry, I think it's looking pretty nice. And finally the vines. So this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video process and this small setup makeover. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and see us again in the next video. Bye bye.